What's going on, y'all? We about to make a chicken sandwich, and it's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, let's
And
get
oh
it.
yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you.
So the first thing we gonna do, we gonna get our chicken thighs in a bowl. Now these are boneless chicken thighs, and then we gonna get our pickle brine on. Now we want this brine to sit on our chicken for at least 4 hours. And give it a mix just so you make sure that brine is getting all over that chicken. Now after our 4 hours is up, we gonna get it on our cutting board and draining it while we go. Getting all that pickle juice as you can off. And then we had to rain on it, had to hit it with salt, a little cayenne pepper, some paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. You know what the deal is, y'all. And take a look at that seasoned chicken thigh. And then we gonna get into our seasoned flour. Now our seasoned flour is seasoned with the same thing that we season our chicken with. It just makes sense, y'all. Just makes sense. Then we gonna give it a good shake. Get it out that flour and straight into our frying basket. And put it in that deep fry, y'all. At 350 degrees. Now after about 5 minutes, we had to go ahead and check our chicken. Give it a little flip. It didn't actually need to come out yet. But we want to make sure that everything is going well. Get it back in that deep fry till it reach that magic temp of 165. And get it on our cooling rack. And while it's cooling, it's the perfect time to get our cheese on so it can melt. And then we gonna hit our griddle with a little bit of olive oil using my spritzy spritz and go ahead and toast our buns. Once we get our buns toasted, we gonna crack an egg, rain on it with a little salt and pepper. And then we gonna go ahead and build our sandwich. We gonna hit it with a little bit of my sweet bell pepper sauce, extra thick, which just means I just added more peppers in it. And then we gonna get our chicken on. Add a little bit of lettuce, hit it with that fried egg, and oh my goodness, look at that sandwich, y'all. Don't it look tasty? And I had some fried potatoes with it. So let me cut this sandwich in half and give me a bite, y'all. Don't that chicken sandwich look good? Oh my goodness. So tasty. So tasty.